This video is sponsored by the brand Tessan.
In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your remote control outlet from Tessan, how to get this thing assembled and installed and then working, so you know exactly what to expect when it arrives. But here's what you get. So very, very easy. You get the outlet itself, remote control. They do give you a cool little magnet where it has a magnet on the back of the remote, so you can stick this to a wall or inside a drawer or whatever to hold your remote. And then you're also going to get a small battery for the remote. So you're going to be good to go as soon as you get this. You don't need any batteries of your own. But I'm going to flip the camera around and get this thing installed and show you how it works. Okay, so get this installed and working super easy. So this is going to be the outlet that you obviously put into your wall. On the side here, there's going to be a manual switch. This is how you turn it on. If you ever happen to lose the remote, you can just click that button and it'll turn it off too. But we're going to put it into our outlet here. Plug in our lamp. Now at this point it is off, so I want to turn it on manually, which is that button there. Turn that green light on. We're good to go. Got the remote here, so when you do walk into your room, take your remote, turn it off. Want the light back on? Turn it on. So it really is that easy. So this is awesome if you got an outlet, that's plugged into maybe a taller lamp in your living room that's hard to reach. Just have this remote. Makes this life so much easier. So this is a perfect little tool. Simple to install, simple to use. I give it 2 thumbs up.